Ferg is the name, then bullet did the chain. Torn off for the watch, Prezi playing Jay.